Hello everyone. So today we will learn how to open a trade in MT4 in MetaTrader 4 from the iOS from your iPhone device. Okay. First you need to download the app in your iOS system, and then you can see what I see in this case. So first you will see the currencies on the tab of the code. You will see them in advanced way or in simple way. So in the simple way, as you see, we have euro dollar, GP USD, USD GPY, USD CAD, a lot of currencies. You can add what you want to add simple way. So back to our story. We want to open a simple trade in the MT4. So you click here, for example, in euro dollar. Okay, we click on trade. We see this window, and you see if you want instant execution, you want the trade at the moment. Okay, so we will do that. And for the size of trade, there is the lot and there is the mini lot. Okay, so we'll open let's talk about one lot trade. I would write one, you can, which is mean it's 100k. If you want 0.1, it will be 10k. So one, you can set also stop loss, you can also set take profit. Let's say we will buy euro dollar with take profit of we can increase, as you see in the chart, and then we will click on buy, and the trade opened. You see we buy euro dollar one lot, and this is the detail. So at the tab of the trade, here is the chart, here is the history, here is the quotes. You will see our open deal. Okay, let's take another trade. For example, let's take the AUD USD. You can take the details for more info, like spread, floating, digits, stop level. Okay, so let's talk about AUD USD. We can open a trade. We'll open a trade of, let's talk about 0.5, which is 50k. Okay, and we want to, for example, to sell it. Okay, so our trade has been opened, and this is our trade below. You can see how the price moving. Another example, cable, British pound. Let's make it short. We open a short trade of the cable. You see here for prices, if you want to, for example, to close the trade at the moment without waiting to your take profit, you can do it by clicking in the pair. For example, I want to close this trade. You can do this. So we swipe in this way, as you see, and then click on the V and close with profit of $6-7. Yeah, the price getting up now. Trade has been closed. You see it in the history at the moment, this trade. So we back. You have another option. If you want to edit our trade, you can add a stop loss or take profit. So if you edit, you add additional trade. We see the trade in the chart. Let's click in this. This is our trade in the chart. If you want to add additional trade, you can do it from here, the same pair. If you want to to edit the take profit, and you can click and modify. For example, this is a short trade. If you want stop loss, then it should be up. And if you want to take a profit, it should be down. And now modify is enabled. You click in it. So we said, okay, so remember this, by clicking this way, you have these options of closing, editing, adding a new position, and the chart. Okay, so it's a simple. You can also check the history. Okay, if you trade, you can add additional currencies like this, Forex. You can go to the setting also. It's a simple way of opening trade in your apps in the iOS system.